Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about the Samsung M51. Finally, I've got this device and now let's unbox this and I'll share with you guys my initial thoughts about this device in this video. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos on this device, and if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. Let's unbox this device first. So if you unbox this, it's a very simple box, yeah, like the other Galaxy devices. Okay, and this is the phone you get. First of all you get the phone here. Then what else we get? Let's check. This is the charger. Okay, this is the USB Type-C cable. Okay, then here we have the charger. Okay, nothing else. Where is the SIM tray ejector? It's not there. Oh, so you don't get the SIM tray ejector. Let's check again if it is there. Whether it must be here. Yes, yeah, this is the other box that I missed. Okay, and yep, so we have the SIM tray ejector here, this tool. And now let's check the device itself. So what do you get inside the box? This is the 25-watt charger inside the box that you're getting. Then you have this USB Type-C. Yeah, oh, that's good. So you're getting this USB Type-C to Type-C cable for reverse charging as well. So they have included this fast charger inside the box, so that's really good according to me. Yeah, so you don't have to buy another charger for this. So charger, the cable, and the SIM tray, and this is the device. And we're not getting any TPO cover, so they should have included this with this, but yes, they haven't. So now let's check on the phone itself. Let's remove this cover and we'll check on the device. Yeah, so this is how it looks, the black color. This is the celestial black I've got. So it is looking good, but yes, it is a bit bulky device because this screen, 6.7-inch Full HD plus screen is there. Super AMOLED display it is having. So because of the battery, 7000 mAh, that is the highlight of this device, right? And yes, you can feel that device is a bit heavy. Okay, must be over 215 grams according to me. I'll let you know the exact weight of this device. Okay, so let me give you the physical overview. On the top you can see that it is having this mic. Okay, at the bottom we have got this headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, and the speaker grill, plus another mic here. Okay, on the left it has got nothing. It is just this is the SIM tray. We'll be checking on that as well. Now on the right we have this fingerprint scanner plus the power button, and these are the volume rockers. Okay, now let's check the SIM tray, if it is having the dedicated slot for micro SD or not. So you can see that it is having a dedicated micro SD slot, so you can expand the memory, but I don't think you will require more than 128 GB. This is the one that you're getting with 6 GB and 128 GB version that I have. And according to me, my first impression is I'm impressed. Okay, the build quality is good, though it is a plastic build. The whole body is made of plastic. Yeah, but it is having this look of some kind of glass, but it is actually plastic. Okay, on the back you have this quad camera setup. So I'll share with you some samples initially, and I'll be doing more videos about the cameras and video recording capabilities, everything. So build quality is fine. The weight is also good, not a problem. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me set it up and I'll be back with the initial impression. So by the time I set it up, here is the list of specs for you guys. So guys, the setup is done, and this is the typical UI. That is one UI that you get, after the first boot up. Now you can see that the UI is quite responsive, and you will actually feel the difference if you were using, or you've been using, the Exynos 9611 or any other what we can say low powered processor. This is the 730G, and you will observe the difference. It is really fast according to me. Now yes, you have these quick toggles here. Dolby Atmos is there, dark mode is there, so you can turn this on here. Now let's check the settings. Okay, now you can see that there are many bloatwares like Snapchat, but the good thing is that you can uninstall all these, and I think Samsung should stop these because these are of no use. Okay, now as I said, let's check the setting now. Okay, now these are the apps, this discovery or whatever, they just try to make you install these things, so I don't like it. Now go to device care, and I'll check the storage that we get. Out of 128 GB, 104.5 GB available for use. Okay, I haven't installed anything yet. Now one thing I would like to check here, the display, which is a highlight of this device because it is having this 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, and I can say that apparently it is looking really good. It's really vibrant. Yeah, two things I'll be checking first: the display and the reverse charging. Okay, so let's get started with the display first. I'll be playing one YouTube video now. Let's play this video, and it comes with this HDR support, so this will enhance your video watching experience. Now let's play this video and we'll see how good is the display. Now you can see that the screen is really vibrant, and it is really vivid. Yeah, you will observe the difference if you're watching this, and if you compare it with any other Full HD Plus display, then you will observe the difference. It's really well saturated, and the dark areas are looking really dark, and the sharpness is also really good according to me. You can check it. Yeah, so without a doubt, this is one of the best display that you can get under 25,000 according to me. The display quality is really good, without a doubt. Yes, no problem here. Okay, now let's check the sound quality. Now at the bottom you have this speaker grill, so let's play this song and we'll see the sound quality. So this is the maximum loudness that you can get, and yes, if they could have provided stereo speakers, that would have been a really good option to have. But yes, it's good, not bad, and it's not that good as well, but nothing to complain here. Okay, the sound quality, the loudness is fine. Now let me show you the brightness as well. The screen is really bright. Yeah, I've already shown you the the overall quality, but I can tell you that the screen brightness is really good, and yeah, this is one of the highlights here. Now let's check the reverse charging, because this one comes with 7000 mAh battery, right? And we'll see how that reverse charging is working here. I've connected this Nokia 5.3. Now if you check here, let me show you this charging. Okay, now we have two options here. Okay, let me show you that here. Yes, tap here. Now what you can do, you can reverse charge both. Means you can charge this device as well as this device using this battery of this Nokia 5.3. All you have to do, suppose if you select connected device, then what will happen, this device will be charged. Okay, and if you tap on this option, let me show you this phone, that means this device will be charged. Okay, now you can see this. So it's a really good option according to me, And considering this 7000 mAh battery, you have extra power bank with you now, according to me. It comes with this side mounted fingerprint scanner, and it also has face unlock. Let me show you this. The face unlock is working really fine. Let me show you this. Yeah, so it is really fast. Okay, let me show you again. Yeah, so it is really fast. Okay, but the fingerprint scanner, maybe I'm not used to using this side mounted fingerprint. Maybe that is the reason, but I'm finding it a bit difficult to use it. Let me show you this. Suppose now, okay, no match, you can see that. Okay, maybe this is a new way of doing it, so it may take some time, but yes, it is not that convenient according to me. But yes, the face unlock is working fine. Let me show you this again, so you can see that the face unlock is fine. Okay, now another thing, the cameras now, because the M series from Samsung, they have targeted the people who are consuming too much media on the device. That's the reason that they are providing really excellent display plus high battery capacity. Now, have they improved the cameras here? So what I'm going to do now, I'll show you simple things here. Let me show this. Okay, yeah, let's take a selfie here. Here you can see, yeah, the shutter speed is really good, and yes, it is good. Okay, so I'll be leaving you with some photo samples so that you can check on the photo quality, and I'll be making one dedicated video on this device to check on the cameras. Now this one is having this quad camera setup on the back, 64 megapixel primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth, and 5 megapixel macro sensor. Okay, on the front it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now let me show you the options here. More options, you have these options: pro, night mode, super slow motion, then hyperlapse is there, live focus is there, macro is there, and a good thing is that you can drag and drop it like this. So that's a good option they have included. And I have also received this particular thing, this option in the latest update that I received on M51. Now what I'm thinking about this device, right? The first thing, the display is excellent. The battery capacity is also really looking really good. And as I said, M series is targeting mainly those people, those who are consuming a lot of media on their devices, and they have included this fast charger. This is the 25-watt charger, so that is also a really good addition according to me. Now my initial thoughts are, if you're looking for a device with really good display and good battery backup, then this one is a really good option under 25k. Now about the cameras, we'll be checking on in detail in later videos, and we'll see that how good are they. For the time being, I can say that the initial impression is really good, particularly the display. Yes, they could have done one thing better, this back. They should have given a matte finish back, because it is getting too much smudges here. Okay, so they could have actually given this matte finish back, plus they could have actually added one TPU cover in the box. But no complaints considering the price. The display is really good, the battery capacity, the build quality is also good. Yes, it is on a bit heavier side, but it's fine. And this fingerprint scanner, if there is any problem with it, I'll let you know in my next video. So now I'm leaving you guys with these photo samples. Check on these and do let me know in the comments how are they. And to watch more videos on this device, do let me know in the comments, and do subscribe and do share your opinions. So till the next video guys, cheers.